Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to install ICC Profile in Windows 10 so your monitor displays accurate colors and looks its best. Step 1. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Color Management. Then open the app from the results. This tool lets you manage color profiles for your monitor, which is essential for accurate color display. Step 2. Once the color management window opens, check the box that says Use my settings for this device. This allows you to apply custom ICC profiles instead of the default Windows settings. Step 3. Click the Add button to bring in a new ICC profile. This step is necessary because Windows doesn't automatically recognize third-party color profiles. Step 4. Locate the ICC profile you want to install and check if it was created for HDR displays. Knowing this ensures the profile works correctly with your monitor's capabilities. Step 5. If your profile is for HDR, check Add as Advanced Color Profile. If it's not HDR, simply select the profile and press OK to add it to your system. Step 6. Go to the Advanced tab in Color Management. This tab lets you fine-tune how Windows handles color profiles on your device. Step 7. Make sure the same ICC profile is selected in the Device Profile drop-down menu. This ensures that the profile you just added is the one actively used by your display. Step 8. Click Change System Defaults. This applies the color profile to all users and system-wide settings, not just your account. Step 9. Repeat the same steps under the System Defaults window. This ensures that the profile is properly registered and active across the system. Step 10. Under the Advanced tab in System Defaults, check Use Windows Display Calibration. This ensures that your ICC profile is automatically loaded whenever Windows starts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.